Yo, what's up, guys? It's International O back at it with another one. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Goes a long way and it is greatly appreciated. Back home, I didn't get any footage today, man. Honestly, I just had tunnel vision. I was trying to get in these stores and get out. I hit on 2 pair of Carmines. Yes, the sneaker gods blessed me with 2 pair of Carmines. The first pair I hit on Hibbets Thursday. I got that notification that I hit on Hibbets. The second pair was tricky, and I'm gonna be honest with you, man, they got to do something about the FLX app. Like, they really have to do something about the FLX app. Now, I got waitlisted for a pair of the Carmine, so I'm like, okay. So honestly, my mind, man, I be thinking 24/7. Sometimes that's why I be so exhausted. But I peeped that a lot of people couldn't get into their app. Now, this might be a trick. This might be a hack for y'all. Honestly, sometimes getting waitlisted is a great thing, unfortunately. But that's how it is for FLX app. Getting waitlisted is a great thing because a lot of people could not get into the app when it was time to find out if they won a pair or not. So the app was crashed, man. It was bad for over an hour. So I know they give you, I think, an hour and a half to confirm your pair. So it was so bad for people for so long, for well over an hour and a half, that a lot of people didn't get to claim their pairs because they couldn't get into the app. So when that happens, you get promoted off the wait list. So I'm in my car. It's like 7:25 last night. I'm in my car rolling, and I just happened to look into my phone because I'm like, okay, I know people had issues getting in, so let me look into my phone and see if I might have, just check it. I just always check it. So I get in, I open the app, boom, it said confirm your reservation. You have been promoted from waitlisting. I never got a notification. So luckily, I went ahead and accepted it. I only had like 4 minutes left. So it's a good thing that I checked when I did. So I checked it, hit confirm, and I was able to pick up a pair from Foot Locker as well. So I was able to cop 2 pairs. But like I said, getting waitlisted is honestly a good thing in some releases, because if the app is crashing and people can't get in it, you get promoted from off the wait list. So by the time the app is fixed and everybody can't get in because they missed their reservation, you can go in and get whatever people didn't claim. So I got lucky because other people wasn't able to claim their pair, so I got promoted off waitlisting. It's messed up. I know it is, but that's FLX app, man. I mean, hey, it be like that sometimes. So let's get to it though. I just wanted to get out of that hack. So when you get waitlisted, and if it's highly anticipated release, don't feel down. You still got a chance, especially if people can't get into the app. So remember that. All right. So this is the first pair I got. This is the City Gear pair. Now, I did check them, and I will say that I do have pink on both pairs. It's not bad. On one pair, maybe a little more than the other, but it's a slightly noticeable pink. So here you can see on the back, it's slightly pink, and then here on the side, on the midsole, like here, and a little bit here, you can notice the pink, but it's not like insanely noticeable, but it's there. If you're watching with the cat eye, you'll be able to see it. Got a little lint on it. Then on this side, it's slightly noticeable, the pink here on this side. And if you can see that there, it's crazy. I'm honestly in shock that Nike actually still decided to sell them. And usually, like with the Mellow 13s, they sent them to the outlets. They didn't even release them. I think with this being so much of a highly coveted shoe and highly anticipated shoe and so many pairs that they made, I just think they said just send them. But again, if you didn't see the last video, remember, depending on where you live, Foot Action and Champs did not get their shipment. So be sure to call, because when they get them, it'll be first come, first serve. So be sure to call your local stores. This one has slight pink on it, as you can see here on the back, and slightly on the side. Like, mine are real slight. It's not like just insanely pink, like Starburst pink. You know what I'm saying? But it's noticeable. It's noticeable if you're looking hard enough, you know, but it's not bad. It's really not bad. That's the City Gear pair. Crazy thing about City Gear, man, I went there to pick up my pair and a girl walked in there with a baby in her hand with no mask on, both of them. And I'm like, okay. So the girl told her that worked there, told her, hey, you need to put a mask on. She didn't have one. So of course she had to buy one from City Gear because she didn't have a mask. Yeah. So here's my Foot Locker pair. My Foot Locker pair is kind of the same thing. It's slightly pink in it. I mean, you really just have to look hard, like from a distance, but they're slightly pink. Like I'm okay with it. Like honestly, if I'm keeping it a buck, I'm okay with it. It's not bad, but of course you see that Nike Air on the butt. But I mean, I'm rocking them. Just dope shoe. I was gonna put it back in it, but man, this is an overall dope shoe, man. You know the classics. Last time we got these was 2014. I saw a lot of people, man, have. Hold on. I saw a lot of people have trouble on Sneakers App today. It wasn't that many pairs as people think they were because of the defects. And I think with Nike, a lot of them that they caught the defects, they just didn't release them. But if a lot of the stores that did get them, if they saw slightly pink or whatever, they just told them let them fly. You had an option. If you wanted them, you wanted them. If you didn't have to get them. I'm gonna be honest, I didn't check mine when I went to the store. I just got them. I'm like, hey, shit. If they pink, they pink, man. By the time I got there anyway, because I didn't get there when the stores first opened. Now, some stores were telling people, hey, if you can, get here early, because if you get here early, you can check to see if your pair is pink and we'll let you swap. So some stores did give people that option. Some didn't. I wasn't in a rush to get there. So I got there when I got there, and I'm not mad. Like, honestly, I'm not mad. Like, I'm rocking with them still. So, you know, to each his own, man. It just depends on if it's a deal breaker for you. I mean, it's Valentine's. Get you a little pink in it, wear them with Bay, and y'all could be matching. Y'all could do the head ass outfit. You know what I'm saying? And y'all can get it moving. But this is pretty much what it is, man. And like I said, I can't complain that Soul is icy like Gucci Mane and Jeezy is just so icy. You can't complain, man. I can't complain. I mean, you can, but I ain't. I have no reason to. Classics. You got to do it. We got to do it. These joints are hard. I can't lie. I don't have like the outfit on to do on feet. I might go ahead and change to do on feet for y'all. I'll probably do that because I know some people may want to see it. So we'll do that. And I'll go change pants. But of course, later on down the line when I actually un-DS these, this will be here. And that's what's going down. So no more talking. Let's get to the feet. And remember that wait list hack I told you. If you get on the wait list, it's a highly anticipated shoe. It's not always a bad thing. So let's get to the feet. Let's go.